the pillar who holds this house together.
Psych! I'm not a pillar! You thought I was a pillar? Ha! Dumb bitch! Well, I'm just a cooking man for tonight. I have no name because I need no name because names are sexist. Well, today we're gonna be cooking. Okay, first of all, I need some of my good old alcohol because there's no way I'm doing this shit sober. You're gonna start off by getting the main ingredient. Mom's spaghetti. Yo, side bitch number one! It's your big motherfucking boy! Yeah, Mom, it's me. How's Grandma? Yeah, I'm just here to ask, how do I cook spaghetti? No, it's real. It's for a cooking show. No, Mom. Mom. No, really, I don't know how to cook. Mom? Seems like we're gonna have to go on an adventure, kids! Because you know, cooking is like the beginning of a mystery. Someone's about to be found dead. See, kids, my hands are wet of respect for woman. That's how it should be, how it always be. And you want to start with a plate? My mom always said, start with the dumb bitch. And this. Now let's add some spice into it. White pepper! And I got one more surprise for you. Black pepper coming out of nowhere. Why? Because racial diversity is really important here, huh? Try to keep up, BuzzFeed? That's right, you can't! Now, what you gotta try to do is that you go for the fridge. And, you seen this milk? Yeah, me too, man. And you seen this milk? I'm not. But I'm in love with it. Now you wanna get some period juice. Like BuzzFeed always told us, women should be proud of their juices. Now I got that Asian shit, the good shit, because Asian people are good. Unless you wanna fuck. It's not like it's disgusting at all to have blood splattered across your face. You know what? Now, for more racial diversity, it's not just Chinese, it's Chinese and black. Huh? You can't keep up with my SJW imperialism. Yeah! So you want to grab some spaghetti? Hey, I look like a cowboy, don't I? So you want to grab some good old spaghetti? This seems good. Put it on the plate, like so. So now we're gonna start by adding some peppers. Don't forget the black one. Action! Oh. Good. The normal age, because just because you're normal doesn't mean you're bad. Too much. And now for a little help. Now we're gonna take care of the drink. Well, this was a good one. This one brings back memories. But yeah, let's go with this one. Now, contents. What everyone fucking needs. Especially me. I just said a lot of mean words and I need this to clean up my mouth. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. That's the good shit. Okay. Now we're gonna take these to water, you know, to help clean the demons even more. Cleanse it up. Ooh. Now you wanna add some Maverick garlic to the drink. So you wanna grab this knife and act like a blind man to it. You're not gonna cut without it. You're not gonna cut shit that hasn't been cut before. It must know the pain. Now you grab the knife and you put it away. Now you grab this and you put it in the drink. Voila. Now, this is looking dirtier than my mind, so let's put it back where it should be.